Contractor Foreman makes it easy for you to create the reports you need to stay on top of your projects. From job costing to time cards, from expenses to accounts receivable and accounts payable, and many more, Contractor Foreman has all the reports you need to save you a lot of time and prevent errors that cost you money. Are you constantly overestimating one part of the job and underestimating the other? We have the reports that let you quickly compare your budget versus actual. Did it actually cost what you estimated? Now you know where you went over and where you could trim back next time to be even more competitive. No extra work involved. Want to simplify and reduce the work in your accounts receivable and accounts payables? Our reports let you quickly see who owes you and who you owe what and by when. Not only do we provide more than 50 pre-built reports, but our Custom Reports Builder gives you the ability to create your own reports to fit your particular needs. No special skills required. See the data you need the way you want to see it by simply dragging and dropping the columns and fields. One of the most popular kinds of reports we provide are the pre-built time card reports. Do you know how much time was spent per project, per employee, per cost code? You will when you use our reports. Grouping and sorting and calculating your labor has never been this easy, no matter if you use the weekly sheet, crew card, crew sheet, or the employee time card. It all gets shown on the report and calculated into your job costing numbers. Our pre-built job costing reports let the numbers show you how well you are doing or where you need to improve. And we provide pre-built reports for labor and materials tracking, for wage, billing, and burden reporting, and sales management reports to help you analyze and keep track of leads and sales funnel performance. Track your leads by source, rep, stats, quality of lead, and much more. With our pre-built work-in-progress reports, you will be able to easily see where you stand on all of your reports in one easy-to-read view. Start a free trial now and see how Contractor Foreman makes it easy for you to create the reports you need to stay on top of your projects.